Hello everybody, we're back. I had to do some deleting, but and we're walking along. Right now it is almost up to my knees. It's not horrible. From what everyone's been telling me, it was a lot worse. I want to walk over here to this side. The grass seems to be dry over there, so I'm going to walk along the dry grass. Don't want to have to be in this crazy ass water if I do not have to. Let's see, dry ground. Here we go. We are now physically on dry ground. We're banging on all cylinders. The point of this video, hold on one second, people. And the point of my whole little journey, if you will, is I pretty much just want to see how Jog looks. There's a CVS down the road. I'm curious to see if it's open. I'm curious to see what's going on around here. Look at all this. Literally, it's like a lake down the road. Ironically, it's the grass that's, while still wet, not submerged. If I run out of tape, I'm going to post this. And I'll post the one I just made before this, and I'll delete them. But I haven't yet posted the one I just made either, so we're just going to play it by ear and see how it goes. There's cars driving down there. Whoa! So it must not be that bad. I feel like someone that was stranded on a desert island. And now I'm finally seeing sign of people. Hey, people! Wave to the people. But the damage and devastation down there is just remarkable, and not in a good way. It's shocking, really. It makes you thankful to be alive, and I bet everybody right now who is alive and who is breathing is thankful. I heard that a few people had lost their lives, and I want to send out a condolence to the families and friends. They likely won't see this, but it's always good to send out condolences. I mean, it's important. Hopefully they were saved, they were born again, and they see Jesus right now. That's the hope. But I'm looking around right now, and it's a regular road. It's a clear road. It's a regular, clear road. Look, regular people, civilization. Everything looks a lot better. Law enforcement's over there. Good job. Hopefully we can get this situation fixed as soon as possible. Wow. Hey, how you doing? Not much. Good, how you doing? What? Yep, down there. Literally, it's the water's up to here. Yeah. Well, everybody, it seems like everything's pretty normal, except for my little station of hell. We're gonna walk a little further down, and then I'll conclude, and then I'll upload these to Facebook, and then I'll make another video coming back. All right, signing off here.